Hello, welcome to Pragati Podcast Channel.
Myself Shagufta Tazeen of 8th Standard.
Myself Pardika of 8th Standard. So let's get started.
On today's podcast, we are going to discuss about
The Delhi's air pollution. Hey Shagufta, have you read the news today?
No, I didn't, but why?
It's about our country capital Delhi. It has been one of the most polluted area in our country, but recently they have said that it is in its highest peak and it gotten so much worse. Like the international countries such as Singapore, Canada and the UK, United Kingdom had also published many kinds of health and travel advices in about Delhi. Do you know that?
Oh yes, our social teacher had also said in class, right?
Yes, she did.
She also told us Delhi has experienced extremely poor air quality and AQI reaching severe and dangerous level. But at this situation, this is not only the problem of people who are living there, but also the attention of international people. But what can this air pollution lead to?
That's a great question. Let me answer to it. Breathing the polluted air can also cause different kinds of problems such as coughing, eye irritation, difficulties in breathing, and also the people who are already suffering from lung and heart diseases can also worse. Children, elderly people, and the pregnant women can also get the diseases and at higher risks. But what can air pollution made up of?
It is caused by several factors like industrial pollution, dust produced from construction sites, and if this action are continued, it can worsen the air pollution year by year.
Of course, that is true. Year by year, as the pollution keeps on increasing, our government has found a solution to treat this pollution. So, they have implemented many kinds of strict rules as well as restrictions, such as limited usage of vehicles, closing of the construction sites, and also completely stopping the industries which are treating Delhi very badly, and it is causing different kinds of air pollution. So, of course, they have found these kinds of solutions. So that this is all done for the Delhi people and as well as the Delhi and the travelers who are traveling to Delhi and exploring it. Again, this is done for their safety and the public health.
The other disadvantage is that due to the poor visibility of fog, heavy fog and smoke, it leads to flight delays and inconvenience for the traveler. These warnings become a global concern, and these things are highlighted in health and travel advices by the international countries.
Yes, that's true. So the overall conclusion is that Delhi's air pollution is a serious problem. So there are two things to do right now: an immediate action as well as a long-term solution.
This is not a local problem. Now it became a global problem and concern.
But let's keep Delhi aside for a moment. Let's think about our Hyderabad. As we know, Delhi is in the top position of the most polluted area. Next comes our Hyderabad, as it is mostly polluted because of the vehicles, the different kinds of industries polluting it. So let's try to take the steps.
For this, we have some steps like plant a tree, don't cut tree, and use alternative sources like solar energy, tidal energy, wind energy, and also use bicycle for the shorter distances. And let's make our India a gem.
So this is it for today for our podcast. So we hope that today's podcast has brought you some knowledge about what is happening in our country. Please like,
Share
and subscribe to our Pragati Podcast channel.